within your domain and which you can chip in at any time and correct me for discussion are some of the accounting concepts, governance, and information regarding reserve, full cost accounting, etc. And we're looking at first the generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP. And of course, we have to think in terms of the USA, and that the organization that governs accounting in the industry are in two parts. One is the Financial Accounting Standard Board, FASB, and the Security and Exchange Commission, SEC. We're going to look at some of the historical elements of these two organizations. One is that whilst the SEC is a US-based institution, the FASB is an international, independent, self-regulated organization, SRO. The FASB establishes a standard for the industry, and we know it as the general accepted accounting principles, GAAP. And of course, the standards that are enshrined therein are also sanctioned by the SEC, and therefore they become mandatory for all US companies to apply them. The FASB outlines procedures and rules that define the accepted accounting practices in the financial reporting. Any comments just at the time? Hence, both the FASB and the SEC may have been inaccurately seen as one and the same, totally interwoven for most people. Hitherto these integration efforts, different countries adopted their own accounting standards. And we're looking at, for example, the ASB, Accounting Standard Boards based in the UK, and they set the standard for UK domiciled companies. One of the problems, as we shall see from some of the videos, we have about 10 small ones for us to have a look at. The comments and the suggestions and discussions regarding the differentiated accounting standards in the different countries and the difficulty that companies have, those operating internationally and those that need to have connection with other companies in other countries. It's so difficult, therefore, for you to understand what they actually mean by some entries without the standardization. And so one of the discussions in the United States in particular now is how soon and when. But of course, the SEC has actually suggested that, and when there are suggestions, the suggestions actually mean mandatory regulation, that there is a roadmap. And so very shortly, within another 2 to 3